YouTube channel. I am the Creative Chick and I teach all things Cricut Design Space and more. In this video, I will teach you how to weld your letters together in Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. First, you want to go to Cricut Design Space, and they have completely moved from online to offline. And if you haven't downloaded the desktop version, please do that. It is pretty awesome. You can do a few things offline and online, which means you may or may not have to have an internet connection. So what you want to do is create a new project, or you can go to an existing project that you have. But for this tutorial, I'll just create something new. And you want to hit text and create your text. So I'll use the word design space. So let me give you an example of what I mean when I say weld. So a lot of Cricut users I see, they don't weld their letters together. And this is kind of for, well, I've seen a lot of t-shirt designs with the letters just looking just like this. And to me, that doesn't look professional or clean. So I suggest that if you're doing t-shirts or coffee mugs, you want to weld your letters together so everything looks clean and concise. So there are two ways that you can do this. You can either go to letter space right at the top, or you can go over to the right to ungroup. I'll show you how letter spacing works. So if you hit the downward arrow, the letters will move closer together, and if you hit the upward arrow, the letters will move apart. And we want the letters to move together, so you'll hit the downward arrow and get them as close as possible. And I would stop there and go to ungroup right over to the right, and ungroups the words. So now each letter is its own entity. So what you'll do is bring all the letters together like so. And I like to use the grid to keep all of my letters aligned in place. So you would bring it all together. And then you will, this one a little bit closer. So after you have all of your letters together, and you like the way it looked, you can highlight it all and go down to the right at the bottom and hit weld. And when you weld them, everything is together. You can increase the size or decrease the size, and everything looks clean and together, especially when you're doing script fonts or cursive letters. When you write in cursive, all the words are connected, right? So you want all the words to be connected when you create a design with text using script or any type of cursive font. So when you cut it out, all the letters will be together. It'll be easier to weed. And when you make your t-shirt or your coffee mug or whatever you create, it would look presentable and nice. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I hope this helps you. If you're new to using Cricut, stay tuned because I will be uploading a lot of very basic techniques and tips for using Cricut Design Space. Thank you for watching.